bike tour of, it wasn't through the Volcanoes National Park, I was wrong about that. It was through the most current lava flow, which happened back in 2018. The last one happened, I guess, August of 18. So we saw some of those, learned a lot of geology. Yeah.
Lava. And I don't remember what the other kind is, but the lava was very rocky. Not what you'd expect really to see, but it was basically like huge kind of boulders of the lava rock that just kind of crashed through and flooded the entire area. They said took out 716 homes that were documented at least, and then crashed all the way down to the water, where the lava hits the water. It's kind of cool because when that impact happens, it just splits the lava apart into billions of pieces and creates what we would consider to be like sand. So there's a new black sand beach over there. It used to be a nice boat launch. Now that's all separated and it still is kind of a small little like heated pool, if you will.
Geothermal, they call it? Yeah.
So we got to see that. We saw some of the lava flows from 1955, which was one of the the other eruptions that happened that went all the way down to the water. And then we also saw some of the changes from 1990 when another volcano had erupted. That was a different type of lava, which I'm struggling to remember.
I don't know the name. There was a bay that he described was like one of the greatest surf spots in the world, and that bay now, at one point, the lava is now 60 feet thick at the thickest point, and just like went, I don't know, quarter mile from where the beach was to where it is now, went a quarter mile more into the ocean and 60 feet deep.
Even given the devastation that has happened in the past, and that they continue to build on what used to be. I mean, it's creating new land in Hawaii that people can lay stake or lay claim to, but just the risk there that something might eventually take out your home is what people are gambling on. You can't really take out any sort of insurance. You can't take out a mortgage. So you're pretty much, it's whatever you can afford if you're willing to build in that area.
And how they don't just like kind of mourn it. They also think like there's a god or like a spirit that they kind of not worship but praise that there is still some land left that the volcano doesn't take everything. So they still kind of have these memorials set up to say like, oh, this got taken away, but we do still have these other areas that we're thankful for. So that was interesting, I thought. Madam, she likes gin, I guess. We were informed by a local. Our two tour guides, one lady grew up on Oahu and now lived in Maui and now lives here for the solo life. Their guy, Chris was his name, from Colorado, and he moved out here like 40 some years ago. He's the one that big surfer, and he just moved here kind of for a different lifestyle too as well. But yeah, really cool guys. Bike Volcano Tours, I think is the name of the company. Yep. So yeah, good time. We're heading to Speakeasy Bar and then going to Unknown, but tomorrow Kona.